He undertook to make sure that Raila is supported for this position. Ordinarily, it would be not easy for a person whom you had been competing with. I saw a spirit of brotherliness, a spirit of Kenyahood that he exuded. I also want to thank him for taking us to that space where you would imagine for a new Kenyan born that this is the first time that we were having the AUC elections happening, because it's a space which ordinarily Kenyans had not been exposed to. And the publicity, the campaigns, and the aura that it was given set the stage. Number two, let me congratulate and echo Raila Odinga. Raila Odinga has risen now to beyond just a leader of a section or a small area in this country. Raila is a statesman. He now joins the Pan-Africanists, the likes of W.E. Du Bois and the others like Marcus Garvey, maybe Kwame Nkrumah and others. Because what he does, he shows very clearly that he is above the normal, ordinary, small politics of Kenya. But he rises beyond that level to support Kenya as a country and where need is required. Look at just the last, because one member of parliament had created the milestones that he has done. But I want to echo the one that is most recent, when we just had the recent situation whereby everybody would think that Raila should use the opportunity available to make everything very unstable in the country, and that was just after the Gen Z riots. He steps down and calms the waters. That's a statesman. And therefore, as he comes back, I believe these are two leaders who went through a very rigorous session of praying together in Addis, surmounting certain challenges together, and even discussing what to deal with. So if anybody, rather for all the Kenyans, this is not the end, it's just the beginning for the big things to happen. And I want to encourage the two leaders to work together as two statesmen to bring unity, unify the country, and make us develop. And we have seen common challenges and problems outside there. This should make us even work together and be stronger than it was, and not to divide us. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
The MP for Mwingi West.